Hello students, this is the 6th class on angles, and in this class we are going to continue our previous topic of finding the unknown angles. First we will look one example which we have learned before, and then we will continue to our next topics. Yeah. This type of examples I have taught you in the previous class. Let's take one example and then we move further. This is a little bit difficult for you, so let's look it very carefully and try to understand. In this question it is given angle EOC is 90 degree. Okay, angle angle DOC equals to 30 degree, angle AOB equals to 60 degree, and you need to find out angle AOE. Okay, you need to find out angle AOD, and you need to find out angle BOD. These three angles you need to find out. So first of all you will write the given angles, and then we will start finding the angles which have been asked to us. Angle EOC is 90 degree. Okay, angle EOC is 90 degree. Okay, we understood. This angle is 90 degree. Okay, good. Second one is angle DOC 30 degree. Angle DOC is 30 degree. Okay, angle DOC is 30 degree. Fine. Angle AOB is 60 degree. Angle AOB is 60 degree. Okay, this is given to us. Now what is he asking? That is angle AOE. Okay, this angle AOE. Okay, another one is angle AOD. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, angle AOD, angle AOD, this one, this angle. Okay, this is a combination of red and blue, but we have to first find out both of these, then we will be able to calculate this. Okay, then angle BOD, that one, angle BOD, this angle. Okay, so here we should know this angle AOD, but we don't know angle AOD, and angle AOD we don't know angle AOB either. AOB we know, that is 60 degree, but AOD we don't know. So first of all, one by one find out the angles and solve this question. First one is angle AOE. We need to find out angle AOE. Okay, first of all tell me how much is this complete angle. You know that is 180 degree. Okay, you know this is 180 degree, so go find out. So if I remove this 90 degree, this 60 degree, so which angle I will going to have? This angle AOE. So angle AOE will be 180 degree minus 90 degree. Okay, subtract 90, then this part will be removed. If I remove 90, this part will be removed, only this part will be remaining. Okay, 90 degree, 0 minus 0, 0, 18 minus 9, 90. Now I have remaining this part only. Okay, but I need only this part, so I have to remove this 60 also. Okay, Now I am going to remove this 60. Now remove the 60. How much it left? 30. So this red part is 30 degree. Great. Okay, that's great. Now we go find out angle AOE. Okay, that is 30 degree. But for finding AOD, we want AOD. This one is angle AOD. This one is angle AOD. To find out angle AOD, we have angle AOE. We have angle AOE. Okay, correct. But we don't have angle EOD. We don't have angle EOD. We have this complete angle 90 degree. Okay. If we remove this 30 from this complete angle, we will have this angle EOD. Yeah, we will have this angle EOD. So let's find out angle EOD first. Okay. Angle EOD is equal to 90 minus 30, that is 60 degree. Okay, now we also have this angle, and that is 60 degree angle. That is 60 degree angle. Let me do one thing that will make it more clear to you. Yeah, give me a second only. This one is 90 degree, this one is 60 degree. Okay. Now, for getting angle AOD, you have AOE and EOD, both the angles. Angle AOD is the combination of 30 and 60. So now you can find out angle AOD. This is combination of 30 and 60. Now add 30 plus 60, 90. Simple. Okay, you find out angle AOD. Now which angle you want to find out? Angle BOD. Okay, angle BOD. Okay, you can find out angle BOD. Okay, find out angle BOD equal to, now check, angle BOD is the combination of 60, this 60, this 30 and this 60. Okay, now add. Angle BOD is a combination of 60, that is angle AOB, then angle AOE, that is 30 degree, and angle EOD, okay, that is again 60 degree. Now add 0, 0, 0, 0. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 150 degree. Now you got all the angles. If you don't understand it, look this video again and again till you get understood this question. Okay, now let's move on to next example. That will going to be very easy for you. That is very simple. Okay, someone says okay, don't worry. Someone says this angle is, let's suppose, 40 degree. Okay, this angle is 40 degree. Angle name is A, B, C. He is asking to you find out this angle X, outside angle X. I want to find out angle X. So you have remembered one thing which I have told you in the previous class, that how much is this complete angle, full rotation angle. Okay, now you remembered, yes, this is 360 degree. Okay, this is 360 degree. Okay, now it is 40 degree. So if you remove this 40 degree, you will get the remaining part. Yes, we will going to have this remaining part. So this is the simple question. How much is this complete angle? This complete angle is 360 degree. Very simple. And you want to find out angle X. Angle X is 360 minus 40, and that is 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 4, 2, 320 degree. So this X angle, this outside angle is 320 degree. Very simple question. Let's move on to next question. Same type of question we are going to find out. Okay, now let's say this one is 120 degree, this angle is P Q R, and you need to find out again the outside angle, and that one is this x. You need to find out this x. Now you know how much is the complete angle. Sir, complete angle is 360 degree. Okay, so remove 360. Remove 360 minus 120. Okay, so x will be equal to 360 minus 120. Okay, 0 minus 0, 0. 6 minus 2, 4. 3 minus 1, 2. 240 degree. Very simple question. Okay, let's take one more question. This is question number 8. Okay, let's take one more. Yes. Okay, this one is point A, this one is point B, this one is point C, this one is point O, and it is given here that this angle is 120 degree, this angle is 90 degree, and he is asking that tell me this angle BOC. You need to find out. Okay, let's find out angle BOC. First of all, you need to tell me how much is this complete angle. You will say 360. This is a full rotation angle. This is 360. Okay, this is 360. So if I remove this 120 degree and 90 degree, so we will going to have angle BOC. We have to remove this 120, we have to remove this 90, and then we will have only this part. So we will have to subtract 120 from 360 and 90 from 360. Okay, so let's start. Angle BOC we need to find out, and that will be first of all 360 minus 120. Subtract 0 minus 0, 0, 6 minus 2, 4, 3 minus 1, 2. 120 have been subtracted. Now subtract 90. Okay, subtract 0 minus 0, 0. 14 minus, you have to take one borrow, it will be 14, it will be 1. Okay, 14 minus 9, 5. Okay, and 150 degree. So how much is angle BOC? That is 150 degree. Okay, I think you got it. And now let's take one more and then we will finish this chapter. Yeah, this one is given, this and this. Let me give it name A, B, C, O, D, E. He is saying this is X, this is X, this is X, this is X. So find out the value of X, find out the value of each angle. He is saying that all the angles are X, you need to find out the value. Okay, you know only one thing, that this complete angle is 180 degree. Okay, but you need to find out the value of these X. Now you can understand by this that all four angles are same. So that means I need to divide 180 into 4 equal parts. How can I divide 180 in 4 equal parts? I have to divide 180 by 4. Okay, so X will be, you have to divide 180 by 4. Okay, divide 180 by 4. 4 4s are 16, remaining 2 0. 4 5s are 20. So how much is it? 45 degree. What is the value of X? 45 degree. So each angle is 45 degree. Each angle is 45 degree. So this one is 45 degree, this one is 45 degree, this one is 45 degree, and this one also 45 degree. Okay, now you got the value of x. Okay, now this class is over. Let's meet you in the